Namaskar to everyone present here. I am Saman Bhandari from grade 9A1 standing in front of you to share my experience on the visit of Swayambhunath, which is also one of Nepal's oldest monument. And this is a 3D model of Swayambhunath made by my friend from 9A1 Aaditya, Nepal. And let's know about the history of Swayambhunath first. So according to histories and legends, Swayambhunath, before it came, Kathmandu was a big lake, and a big lotus had appeared on it, and after all the water drained away, the hill of Swayambhunath appeared. And after many years, stupas, monasteries and temples were built on it, making it one of Nepal's oldest monuments. Swayambhunath, which is also known as Monkey Temple, is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is listed as a World UNESCO Heritage Site and is respected by all the cultures around the world, making it a tourist spot as well. And all the Buddha's eyes around the stupa represents wisdom, peace and commitment towards the place. And for the experience, we observed many beautiful surroundings like stupas, monasteries, colorful flags, etc., which made our experience even much more beautiful. And the surrounding was also peaceful, which made our experience much better. This trip was both educational and enjoyable because we got to learn outside the classroom. In conclusion, I would like to tell that Swayambhunath is a great place to visit for the historical and cultural importance, and I would like to recommend everyone to visit it. Thank you.